Have you ever failed once, twice, maybe even 10 times? What if I told you there was a man who failed 1,000 times, yet he changed the world? This is the story of Thomas Edison, and it's a story of persistence, hope, and the power of trying again. Stick around till the end, because this story might just change how you see failure forever. And if you're learning English through stories, you're in the right place. Thomas Edison was not like other kids. He was curious. He asked a lot of questions. His teachers didn't like that. One day, they sent him home. They told his mother, "Your son is too slow to learn." But she didn't believe them. She said, "My son is not slow. He's special." And she became his first teacher. That's the first lesson. Believe in yourself, even when others don't. Years passed. Edison grew up and had a dream. He wanted to create electric light, but people said, "That's impossible." Still, he tried. One idea didn't work, another, still no light. He failed, then failed again, then again, not once, not 10 times, not 100. He failed 1,000 times. Finally, after so many failures, he made the light bulb. And when a reporter asked him, "Mr. Edison, how did it feel to fail 1,000 times?" He said, "I didn't fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps." That's perspective. Edison once said, "Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up." So, if you're learning English, starting a new habit, or chasing a dream, remember this: failure is not the end. It's just part of the journey. Next time you fail, don't give up. Don't call it the end. Call it a step. Call it progress. Because every failure is just another way to get better. You are not failing. You are learning. You are growing. Keep going. If this story inspired you, tell us in the comments. What's your light bulb? And if you're learning English, subscribe now. We share stories to help you grow your mindset and your language. You got this. Yay.